This video tutorial will provide you with information on how to process an ownership change. To report a facility ownership change, the new owner must submit a new facility registration form, and the previous owner must submit a withdraw facility registration form to the department within 30 days to register the new owner and to withdraw the previous registration on file. Forms may be completed by the registrant or an authorized representative. Changes to the type of business entity, including but not limited to any of the following actions, is considered a change of ownership. A sole proprietor becomes a partnership, limited liability company, or corporation. A partnership has changed partners or becomes a limited liability company or corporation. A limited liability company or corporation becomes a partnership or a sole proprietor. Note: a change in taxpayer ID is an indication of ownership change. In order to access our home page, please go to cdph.ca.gov/RHB. Once at our home page, scroll down and select X-ray Machine Registration and Compliance. On this page, select the link that the arrow is pointing towards to access the Forms portal. Please note that Internet Explorer does not work with this portal. This is one way of accessing the portal, or you can access the portal directly by entering https://cdph.rhb.powertals.us/. Once you reach the radiation machine registration page, you will see that there are 4 options to choose from. We're going over the ownership change option in this tutorial. Select the link that the arrow is pointed towards that will take you to a page with 2 options available. On this page, choose the option for you as either the new or previous owner. If you purchased the facility from a previous owner, use the form that the arrow is pointing towards. Note: registrations are not transferable. Please click on the new facility registration form tutorial link for assistance filling out this form. If you are the previous owner of a facility, use this form to withdraw current registration. Please click on the Withdraw Facility Registration Form tutorial link for assistance filling out this form. If you have any questions, our contact information is listed here. Thank you.